In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your contacts from QuickBooks. Whether you're preparing for a switch to another platform or simply need to keep a backup of your client details, exporting contacts is an indispensable skill to master. Stay tuned as we walk through this process, ensuring you get it right every step of the way. To get started, the first thing you need to do is head over to the QuickBooks website. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the sign-in area. It's usually positioned prominently on the site, making it easy to access. Click on that to proceed. Next, after hitting the sign in button, you'll see several options for accessing various QuickBooks products. Here, you'll want to choose QuickBooks Online. This selection is crucial as it takes you directly into the version of the software where we'll be conducting our export. At this point, it's time to enter your login credentials. Carefully type your username and password to ensure a smooth entry into your account. Once everything looks right, go ahead and click Continue to log in. With your QuickBooks Online account open, the next destination is the Settings menu. You'll find this button on the top right corner of the page, generally represented by a gear icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu of various settings options. From here, your job is to look for the option labelled Export Data. After you've located the Export Data button, click on it. This will guide you to a set of choices, tailored for exporting different types of information from your QuickBooks account. Among these, you'll find a tab labelled Lists. It's important to click this as it narrows down the options to specific list data, including your client contacts. Once you're on the Lists page, direct your attention to the option for Customers. Clicking on Customers will prepare your account to extract information specifically related to your clientele. You might notice a slight refresh or loading indicator as QuickBooks compiles your data, so a moment of patience is wise. The final action in this process is contained in this next step. Exporting the data to Excel, look for and click on the button that says Export to Excel. This will download an Excel file containing all your customer contact information. Having this data in Excel format is incredibly helpful, allowing you to manipulate, save, or share your client details as needed. And there you have it, you've successfully exported your contacts from QuickBooks. By following this guide, you can ensure a seamless experience each time you need to perform this task. Thank you for joining me, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more useful tutorials. Until next time, happy bookkeeping.